In the rapidly shifting economic landscape of 2026, the divide between thriving small and medium enterprises and those struggling grows ever wider, primarily defined by a crucial factor: AI readiness. SMEs face unique hurdles, from limited headcount and tighter budgets to the pressing need for agility. But there's good news. AI has evolved into a powerful ally, offering smaller teams the corporate superpowers once reserved for Fortune 500 companies. Take marketing, for instance, the heaviest lift for many SMEs. With AI, a single person can now achieve what once required an entire creative agency. Tools like Jasper and Sintra AI can create hyper-personalized content, crafting emails and blogs that resonate with your unique brand voice. Want to maximize your video content? Platforms like Pictory and Descript allow you to transform a single long-form video into multiple short clips, perfect for Reels or TikTok, complete with AI-generated captions. And for visual consistency, Canva's AI suite empowers teams to create brand-accurate images and layouts, eliminating the need for a professional designer. Small and medium enterprises often grapple with countless small tasks that consume valuable time. Thankfully, AI is here to elevate smart operations and streamline automation. Imagine having AI agents like those in Zapier Central or Microsoft Copilot Studio, capable of making logical decisions. With a simple framework, they can handle tasks efficiently. If X happens, they do Y, otherwise they move to Z. Consider meeting intelligence tools like Fireflies.ai, which seamlessly extract action items and integrate them into your project management system, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. When it comes to scheduling, Motion protects your deep work time, automatically adjusting meetings according to your energy levels and deadlines. But that's not all. AI transforms customer support and sales, making communication effortless. Context-aware chatbots like TDO AI provide human-like responses around the clock. Plus, with AI proposal generators like Badara, crafting RFPs takes just minutes. And by utilizing predictive lead scoring tools like HubSpot's Breeze AI, sales teams can pinpoint leads most likely to convert based on insightful historical data. In the fast-paced world of SMEs, cash flow is indeed the lifeblood of business survival. That's where AI steps in, revolutionizing finance from mere tracking to predictive insights. Meet Ramp, utilizing AI agents for autonomous bookkeeping, automatically categorizing expenses and catching duplicate invoices before they enter your records. And with Profix One's innovative Glassbox AI, businesses can forecast cash gaps 30 to 90 days ahead by analyzing banking trends and market signals. Imagine Stack AI effortlessly extracting data from messy PDFs and handwritten receipts with pinpoint accuracy, integrating it directly into your ERP. Now let's dive into supply chain management. For many SMEs, inventory is a significant frozen asset. Taylor, a composable AI ERP, leverages demand sensing to pinpoint the perfect moment to reorder supplies. Meanwhile, Throughput AI identifies bottlenecks in your supply chain and suggests quicker, cost-effective routes. With AI, the future of finance and supply chain management is not just visible, it's crystal clear. In today's world, artificial intelligence is transforming industries from legal compliance to healthcare and product development. Imagine having AI as your first-pass counsel, reducing legal fees and ensuring you're always compliant. With Spellbook, small and medium-sized enterprises can review contracts in mere seconds, uncovering hidden risks that might otherwise go unnoticed. Meanwhile, tools like Vanta and Drata achieve autonomous compliance, constantly monitoring your systems and gathering necessary evidence for audits like SOC2 without lifting a finger. In healthcare, innovations like Heidi Health and DeepScribe convert patient consultations into structured notes instantly, streamlining documentation. Luma Health takes it further, predicting no-shows and filling last-minute vacancies with backup patients. For product development, AI is empowering small teams to innovate rapidly. Autodesk Fusion's AI generates thousands of design options tailored to specific constraints. Platforms like Replit Agent and Cursor enable non-tech founders to craft bespoke software simply by describing their vision. With AI leading the way, businesses unleash creativity and efficiency like never before. In 2026, a pivotal change occurs as SME suppliers are mandated to report their carbon footprint. Enter innovative solutions like Watershed, which connects seamlessly to utility bills and supply chain data, automating carbon accounting to streamline emissions reporting. This not only saves time, but ensures accuracy in annual reports. But that's just the beginning. Energy optimization comes to life through BrainBox AI, which integrates with HVAC systems, reducing energy costs by up to 25%, all without human intervention. Shifting focus to property and facility management, AI transforms dumb buildings into proactive assets. Honeywell Forge leads the way with predictive maintenance, alerting managers to potential AC failures before they happen, thus saving on costly emergency repairs. Meanwhile, Elise AI handles the entire lead nurturing process for rental properties, addressing inquiries and scheduling tours efficiently. With AI at the forefront, sustainability and property management are evolving like never before. In the fast-paced world of event management and experiential marketing, AI is transforming how we network at trade shows and pop-up events. With innovative tools like Grip, AI matchmaking revolutionizes the attendee experience, analyzing LinkedIn profiles to suggest one-on-one meetings with the right people. Imagine walking into a venue and being instantly connected to your most valuable contacts, ensuring every conversation counts. Furthermore, Zenus enhances booth strategies with real-time sentiment analysis, pinpointing which parts of an exhibitor's display are drawing the most interest. This privacy-first approach allows for smarter adjustments on the fly, maximizing engagement and impact. For small to medium-sized enterprises, this shift means more than just smarter chatbots. It's about architecting efficiency across operations. By focusing on the biggest workflow bottlenecks and implementing tailored AI solutions, businesses can reclaim precious time. Avoid the trap of tech hoarding and watch as an AI-first mindset naturally evolves, driving innovation and creativity.